Hello guys, so today I'm going to be doing the slime wheel challenge. So,
oh crap, I need to get to it. Etc. Okay, so basically you spin this wheel and you have to put whatever you get in your bowl and try to make a slime.
Yeah.
Okay, who wants to go first?
You. Clear
glue. Let's go.
Okay, my turn. I got clear B. A lot, okay? Can I put a lot, Tatum? Like that much?
Good boy. Sure.
Nice.
Cents. I don't even know if there's anything in here. Come on, right there.
Die. Where I can move, I think. What mine looks like right now. And this is hers. Hers is a lot better.
Stoffler.
Oh, you're already. You could just add it into your slime. I got borax and I don't even have any glue in here.
Okay. Wait, you're not supposed to use Stoffler with clear. That sucks. Okay, well mine's gonna turn not clear.
You got white glue?
I'm just gonna.
That's Stofflo. So 2 different detergents. Okay.
I can't close. I got 2 different glues. I cannot close this.
Glues and 2 different freaking detergents. She got baby oil. That's gonna make it shiny.
This is round 4 already, guys.
Like make 2.
Mix in, everything went flying out. It's clear.
So. Okay.
See, I got shaving cream.
You're so lucky. You're getting actual slime stuff.
Oh.
I got white glue!
Go, Claire! Oh wait, that actually looks cool. Like,
It's gonna be good, Tatum.
I
You know,
know.
I'm just gonna dye my hands blue. Flubber. Do you have toothpaste?
no. I don't brush my teeth. Let's make her some so that we could like. Oh, I just broke my. Go. Ah! Mine's actually almost together, and I'm actually liking it. Mine's like white without. Oh, I added in so much.
My stuff is like flying.
Kind of irrelevant, but it's fine.
I'm just gonna stop the video until we need it to go.
I like shining, I like $1 million bills. Where's my pen? I'm signing. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the top. I like